Today, I'm gonna make an insanely delicious bacon, avocado, and tomato sandwich. So in a hot saute pan, I'm gonna add in a little bit of olive oil, 2 pieces of Havarti cheese, whipped eggs, and we'll add in 2 slices of some thick cut wheat bread. Sprinkle with a little everything bagel seasoning. When the egg is set, give it a quick flip. Add in some sliced tomatoes, a few pieces of crispy bacon, sliced avocados, a couple more pieces of cheese. Tuck in the edges. Take it, flip it over. You just want to cook it until it's crispy. I'm just going to cut it in half, show off that beautiful cross section. And there we have it, our bacon, avocado, tomato, and egg sandwich. It's awesome.